of a communication from Honorable Order members. Order, who is that going out? Oh, Sergeant. I'm in communication over. I'm in receipt of a communication from Honorable Aperi Mokaya Mose, who has delegated the power of attorney to Honorable Arifayo Ngeresa to vote on his behalf. But using standing order number 1, I declare that Honorable Aperi cannot vote for now because the communication has come late, given that we have already finished the first round. So, Honorable Ngeresa, I know Aperi trusts you so much, but we have to go as per the law governing directions of our speaker. We cannot start voting in the second round because the tallying will differ with the first round. I now declare that the process of voting is over. We go to the next step. Clerk.
Honorable Thaddeus Navarro. 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 Lastly, Honorable Thaddeus Navarro. 1 for Navarro, 2 for Navarro, 3 for Navarro, 4 for Navarro, 5 for Navarro, 6 for Thaddeus Navarro, 7 for Thaddeus Navarro, 8 for Thaddeus Navarro, 9 for Thaddeus Navarro, 10 for Thaddeus Navarro, 11 for Thaddeus Navarro, 12 for Thaddeus Navarro, 13 for Thaddeus Navarro, 14 for Thaddeus Navarro, 15 for Thaddeus Navarro, 16 for Thaddeus Navarro, 17 for Thaddeus Navarro, 18 for Thaddeus Navarro, 19 for Thaddeus Navarro, 20 for Thaddeus Navarro, 21 for Thaddeus Navarro, 22 for Thaddeus Navarro.
Order members, the process is on.
Total number of honorable members voted 22. Spoiled ballot votes 0. Total valid votes cast 22. Honorable Thaddeus Nyabaro Momanyi 22. Crisantos Nyabera Mungare 0. That is for round 2. The agents were Evans Chuma Matunda, who was the only one.